This is indeed the first edition of an international event, a large international event. Eric organized in the past, in the last 10 years, a number of smaller international events, which we call the hands-on workshop, where up to 100 people were attending. But they were very practical, so we were organizing them to educate the community on how to perform a reliable analysis of immunoglobulins, a reliable analysis of P53, a reliable analysis for minimal residual disease assessment. So it was quite technical. This event tried to expand that experience, meaning that this event is larger in terms of number of participants. We have 365 registered participants, but we hope to maintain the same spirit of intimacy, meaning that indeed the core of the meeting will be the organization of small workshops within the Congress, so that people can meet, sit around the table and discuss issues. And the issues are those we already mentioned, so P53, immunoglobulin gene analysis, recurrent mutation, cytogenetics. This is another important field that is developing now in CLL, the importance of complex karyotype, for example. So everyone will participate in this different workshop, discussing, so that we hope that everyone's voice will be heard. It's not anymore only plenary session, someone talking, the other people listening, sometimes sleeping. We hope that really to have everyone engaged and to hear everyone's opinion.